Hey guys, it's me Mabani Kolusile, Forex Academy. I'll be making a weekly anticipation for this week, guys. When I was busy explaining this, I came to realize something. I made analysis on this pair, guys, just now, and I'll show you what just happened. To reduce the volume on the side. This what happened, guys, just now. They gave us this drop, and then this just showing you that they are now targeting this Friday's previous low. And then what I was expecting them to do is to trade high and then drop, but since they have traded out this that gap, and they starting to drop. We were on NZD/USD and starting to drop already, and then going with Euro JPY. Please trade this pair very careful, guys. I will just make this and they already trading within our trading zone. This trading zone, guys, is just the discount for bearish move on this movement. Now the market came to discount, and then they're giving you an opportunity to sell this pair. So if you were busy trying to sell this pair, guys, previous week, since from Wednesday you didn't make any money, because the market was ranging within this range, and just participating how many pips, around 61 pips. Now I'm expecting a drop, or what after they giving us these equal lows, they will try to take out this because they have already tested that order block. I don't think they will go there again, but nevertheless, if they do go there, you will expect this kind of move. But I'm bearish on this pair, guys. And then going with GBP USD, if I give you a sell on GBP USD, expect the same on GBP JPY. And then from this pair, this is what I'll be looking for. Let me make a proper anticipation, guys, so that you could have a clear picture on what I'm looking for on this pair. Let me go to M5, and then I will take my Fibo and adjust it to the way I analyze my trading pairs. You need to be patient with me, guys, because my MetaTrader is slow. You can see I've clicked M5 and still loading. Here we are. Let me identify the 14-hour candle. Remember, this is GBP JPY, and then 14 hour. is here, and here's the low. They have already taken out this. They have created two equal highs, and then we have this high, and then this order block that has not been tested, and then my fibber from the high to the low. Which low? I know you will be asking me that. This low, this is New York open low, New York open high, and then the market is trading within this area. And then today they just open with a gap, and then they close it, and then they went to test this order block, and then they started to drop. And this might be the move for the whole week, since well they have moved away from this area, and then I'll be looking for them to take out this area first, since well they're starting to move this low. And then once they have taken out this low, guys, this is what I'll be looking for to trade back to this zone, then drop to take out Monday, previous week Monday low. This area, they'll be targeting this area for this week prior to NFP week. And then Chef JPY, wow, what was a gap? What, this was a big gap, guys. Let me count how many pips. 61. If you were on sell on this pair, guys, you could have made a lot of money. And then when the market opened, you could have closed your trade, and then they're starting to drop. And, I just want to let me see if they are on a discount level or what. Yeah, they are trading within the fair value, the 50% of that movement, and then I'll be expecting them to drop more to take out this liquidity that they have created here. And then let me see how much market value price there. It's 117,491. I'm expecting them to take out that low this week, guys. Leave that one alone. I'm expecting them to take out that low with gold. Going with gold, if you are trading gold, guys, you could target this low. I haven't changed my bias on this pair, and then going with USD chef. Let me go to D1. I'm still bullish on this pair, guys, and then I'll be expecting the market to take out this Wall Street money. These two equal highs is called Wall Street money, and then also to test this liquidity here, and we still have more liquidity around the zone, but I won't be looking for them to take out that high. At least if they do take out this high, I'll be more pleasant. And then USD I'm still bullish also on this pair, guys. Since they haven't take out that high, at least if they take out this high on this pair, I'm still bullish on USD and then USD CAT. I'm also bullish on this pair, guys. But I'll be expecting them to take out, but they have already tested this order block previous week, and then they have created two equal lows that I would like to see them to take out before going higher, and then test at least the 50% of this candle, and they have tested it on Wednesday previous week. If they don't go here, guys, that's what you should look for on this pair. From Friday's move, let's go to M5. I'm doing that because I'm waiting for my MetaTrader to react. Let me pause it and then I will continue once it reflects. Now here we are, guys. We first identify the 14-hour candle. We have this low and then we have this high, and we already seen that they are targeting this equal highs that they have created. We use our Fibonacci from the low to the high because this pair is bullish. From this low to this high, and then what's funny about this is that the market was already trading within the fair market value, and then which is the 50% of this movement that happened on Friday, and then we had this retracement back to this zone, and then we have completed the previous move that they were looking to test. Let me see if I put my fibber from this zone to this point where we are. I'm just using this, guys, as referral from a previous week move. From this low to this high, we had to retrace back to this sniper zone, and then they did give us the sniper entry, and then today they had to come to give us this move, and then we just starting to see them taking out this, targeting these zones, guys, and then this is what I'll be expecting them to do, to take out this high and then take out. We have Wall Street money laying around this area, guys. Wall Street money laying around these zones, and then once you see the market take out those highs, just know that we are making money. This is for USD CAD, and then going with USD ZAR. They have already tested this order block that I was looking for. They haven't. I'll be expecting them to at least come to test this zone. Let me make a referral. I'm putting in this Fibo for reference, guys. They haven't tested this favorable gap, but they might not. They can come to test this order block and then rise, and then this is what I would like to see on this pair, guys. To come and test this zone and then rise, and if not the case, if they don't give us this move, they might just rise to take out this Wall Street money, guys. For this week, the rand might be equal to this market value, around $15. And then going to dollar index, I'm still bullish on this pair also, guys. It's the opposite of Euro USD, and then I had this analysis that I was having on this pair, and then I'll be expecting them to take out this high, and then going with Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I'm still bullish, and then previous week we had this move, and then during the weekend, what you could have done, you could have made analysis and put your Fibo from low to the high that they have created, and they went back to test the sniper entry. Now let's go to M5 so that you could see what they have given you and that you didn't do. Wow. This is a hell of a gap on Bitcoin, showing the bulls are ready to take on this market. And then this is Saturday's low that they didn't come to test, or they came to test here, and then because they already given us a sniper here, and then if we have to trade this pair, guys, let me see, identify the 14-hour candle from yesterday, which is Sunday. Remember, Bitcoin moves each and every day, guys. This was the movement that happened yesterday, and then I'm putting in my Fibo, my vertical line on the 14-hour candle from yesterday, and then from the low, here's the low to the high of today, and then what they might do, and they might come to test this area and then slightly close this gap and then rise. This what I'll be expecting to see this pair. I'm expecting them to target this liquidity around the zone, and then going with let me make analysis on Nasdaq. Nasdaq, guys, has been more bullish, and then let me see the weekly movement and look where we are in the market. On Nasdaq, guys, I want you to check this. We are having a bullish movement, but on our TDI we're starting to have a decline in the market price, meaning we have a divergence, and with this divergence it gives us an opportunity that the market is starting to lose its value, because it's too higher here. And then what we will be trying to do, and this is what I'll be expecting them to do, guys. Just that retracement to this zone and then drop as I was anticipating from the previous weeks. Please trade safely, guys. This is what I'm expecting from this pair, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. This was my anticipation for Nasdaq, and then hope to see you soon with the anticipation that I took on AUDSD. I'm already on profit, 53 cents dollars on this pair. I took that trade around the zone. Here is the trade that I took. I'm already on profit. This is for the $1 that I have funded, guys. Remember, I hope I will keep you updated. Hope you enjoy this one, guys. Hi, Papat.